Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to put different border on each page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to put different borders each page. Go to the home menu, then click draw text box option and draw a text box. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline and choose red color. Then go to the another page. Now I go to the third page. Then apply the same process. You can change the color. Now I change this color. Now we can see we put different borders on each page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.